how's your experience,
Ano,
Diana?
very nice. At the beginning, parang medyo ano pa siya, tag nito. Yung parang ginagamay mo pa yung ganito niya for accelerator. But eventually, ano ko din. Parang ma-adapt ko na siya ng medyo okay na. Kaya normally parang stop, go, stop, go, stop, go ako. So dapat may ganun talaga stop, go, stop, go.
And how about you, April and Jane? Okay, so the driver first.
Nasanay ako sa pugat. Dito pala. Sakit sa kamay, but good experience. Perfect.
For me, I'm an expert, so no need to adjust. Just sit and relax.
And enjoy the view.
Yes.
Of course.
Fresh, pwede mo ba video?
Oh,
Ganito ako?
oo, go.
Ha? Isang ikot lang.
Go with the back. Ah, this will be back.
Okay.
Go. Stay. No. Anyway, you're gonna stop here. Just open. Just get practice.
Practice first.
You're gonna stop there. Just
Practice. Okay. Hello. Okay, nice.